Hello friends, welcome to my channel Needle Cuddle. In today's video, I will show you how to make the flower and the bell of this little fellow. I have already pasted two links for making this cow in the description box. Please follow those two links to make the cow. Now let's start with the flower. For the flower, I have used these two 3-ply cotton yarn and a 0.6 mm crochet hook, but for the demonstration purpose I will use DK yarn. In row number 1, I will start with a magic ring and then 10 single crochet inside the ring. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Leave a tail for sewing and cut the yarn. Now fasten off. In row 2, join different color yarn anywhere in this circle or anywhere in between these 10 stitches. So it is not necessary to join it in the first stitch. I will join this yellow yarn here. Make a chain 1 to make sure the yarn is connected. Now make a double crochet into the next stitch. Then a triple crochet into the same stitch. Now I will make 2 chains and then a slip stitch into the third chain from the hook. So you see 1, 2 and 3. So here I will make a slip stitch. Now make another triple crochet into the same stitch. A double crochet into the same stitch again. Now make a slip stitch into the next stitch. So this completes one petal. This way I will make 4 more petals. Moving on to the second petal. So here again I will make a double crochet into the next stitch. a triple crochet into the same stitch. Now making 2 chains. Slip stitch into the third chain from the hook. Now another triple crochet into the same stitch. Then a double crochet into the same stitch again. Now a slip stitch into the next stitch. I'll continue to make 3 more petals and we will meet after that. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. Now I will keep this yellow yarn as it is because I need this yarn for sewing the flower with the cow. Same for this grey yarn as well. And I will hide the other 2 yarns in the back of the flower using yarn needle. So this completes our flower. Now moving on to the bell. Similar to the flower, for bell also I have used 3-ply cotton yarn, but for the demonstration purpose I am using DK yarn here. I will start with a magic ring and then 4 single crochet inside it in row number 1. In row number 2, single crochet increase in each of these stitches. In row number 3, 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then in the next stitch, a single crochet increase. I will repeat this pattern for 4 times, and at the end of row 3, the stitch count is 12. In row number 4 and 5, I will make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. Hence, at the end of each row, the stitch count remains 12. Now cut the yarn and fasten off. Take a yarn needle. Now I will give a seamless join. For that, I will skip the last stitch and insert the needle from outside to inside to the front loop of adjacent stitch. Now again insert the needle from outside to inside in the back loop of the last stitch, like this. This gives a seamless join. Now I will hide the yarn inside the bell. Now grab a 4 or 5 inches of red yarn, insert it into yarn needle. Now insert the needle from inside the bell and push it in between the first and second row. I will not pass the whole yarn through it, push just the half of it. Now release the yarn needle and grab the other end of the yarn. For this end also, insert the yarn needle in between row 1 and row 2, but on the opposite side. Release the yarn needle and the bell is ready.